Let's crochet 2 front trotter of baby pig. Round 1. Start 4 single crochet stitches in magic ring. Pick up the pink yarn. Wrap the yarn once around your pinky. Loop it once around your middle finger. Hold on to that intersection point with your thumb. Stick the hook into the loop from the right to the left. Grab onto the yarn. Bring the yarn through the loop as well as rotate the hook. And if you did everything correctly at this point, you can let go of your piece and everything would stay intact. The first single crochet stitch in magic ring finished. Use the stitch marker under 2 loops of the first stitch. The second SC stitch finished. The third one finished. 4 single crochet stitches finished. Pull the yarn tail, and the magic ring will appear. Let's crochet round 2. Start 2 groups of 1 single crochet stitch and 1 increase stitch. Firstly, we need to take off the stitch marker in round 1. The first single crochet stitch in round 2 finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 2. Now, we will crochet the increase stitch. 1 SC stitch in the same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. Group 1 finished. Now, let's crochet the second group. Okay, the single crochet stitch finished. Round 2 finished. Let's crochet the third round of 6 single crochet stitches. Firstly, remove the stitch marker in round 2. And then start the first single crochet stitch. And use the stitch marker again. The second single crochet stitch. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. Remove the stitch marker. Great! Round 3 finished, and leave a long tail for sewing. One front trotter of baby pig finished, and try the second one on your own.